Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss very important topic in operation management. So last session also we had discussed facility location. So now we are going to continue the session. Location analysis techniques. So location factor rating, develop a list of relevant factors, assign a weight to each factor reflecting its relative importance to the firm, develop a rating scale for the factors, score each location on each factor based on the scale, multiply the scores by the weights for each factor and total the weighted scores for each location. Make a recommendation based on the maximum point score considering other factors. So center of gravity technique. Location at center of all geographical areas or branches. Reduce cost during transportation. So for example, if it is in Coimbatore, Fun Mall or Prozone Mall, it's in the center of gravity. That's a center place. So we have to access easily. So load distance, calculation of distance with load, choosing the load with lowest distance one, distance must be minimum. Break-even analysis, so method of selection of point where total revenue equal total cost, weighted factor rating, merge quantitative and qualitative factors, weighted given to the factors and best one is being selected. So what do you mean by sourcing and procurement? Procurement is nothing but you are getting the raw materials from the suppliers with a discount price. So sourcing is the process of locating products or service outside of your company. So procurement is negotiating contracts and getting the best price for what you need. For example, if it is Amazon has revolutionized the retail industry with its strategic sourcing practices. The company leverages its massive scale to negotiate better prices with suppliers, uses advanced data analytics to improve supplier performance, and has implemented a unique inventory management system that allows it to keep costs low. So, what do you mean by strategic sourcing? So, strategic means you have to plan. Strategic sourcing is a process that created efficiencies across all spend categories, minimizes supply risk with improved supply selection, and gives visibility into pricing and forecasting. So next we are going to discuss very important topic, make or buy decision. For example, if you're not having means we are going to outsource the particular product for using to manufacture your product. Otherwise, you are going to make and use the raw material for your particular product. So a make or buy decision refers to an act of using cost benefit to make a strategic choice between manufacturing a product in-house or purchasing from an external supplier. Example, the make or buy decision company example is to build a website by hiring employee or using an IT services firm. Completing the task will require interviewing employees, hiring cost and benefits. For example, I'm running a company, I'm having the company, I'm running the company. I'm going to prepare a new design of the website. So now I'm going to, in our organization itself, some of the employees are the well versed in the IT field. So I'm going to hand over to that particular employee means the cost will be reduced. Otherwise, I'm going to outsource. I'm going to hire one employee. I'll give the salary to prepare the website. So that is a make or buy decision. Next, we are going to discuss procurement process. So procurement process is very important. Procurement is a strategic process that involves the acquisition of goods. So there are merging and acquisition. So takeover of the goods and services. Unlike purchasing, it consists of a series of steps that are usually taken by businesses to meet certain needs such as production, inventory, and sales. It often involves a series of documents like demand and receipts for payment. So that is a procurement process. So there are 9 steps in the procurement process. Procurement process greatly depending on each company's structure and needs, but generally include the following 9 core steps. First one, identify which goods and services the company need, submit purchase request, assess and select vendors. So vendors is nothing but suppliers. You are going to negotiate price and terms, create purchase order, receive and inspect delivered goods, conduct three-way matching, approve invoice and arrange payment, keep records. So these are all the 9 steps of procurement process. You are going to record the receipt. You have to record the transaction. What are the types of procurement? Direct procurement, indirect procurement, goods procurement, service procurement. So these are the types of procurements. So in the direct procurement, this involves acquiring goods and service directly linked to the production process within the organization. For example, your manufacturer, I'm going to manufacture a cloth, I mean manufacture shirts. I'm going to purchase the raw materials like button and everything, the collar and everything. I'm going to purchase that one place. That is a wholesaler. So every time I'm going to purchase this, definitely I will get the discount. So whatever the product, for example, if it is a clothing or electronics. So direct procurement. Indirect procurement encompasses purchases not directly associated with production activities. This category may encompass purchasing point of system, I mean the point of sale system, marketing software, or retail analytic tool to enhance store operations and the customer experience. If I'm going to running that departmental stores, I'm going to convert it into software. So I'm going to it's indirect procurement. I'm going to ask for that any private agencies for the contract. We are going to prepare that website to record the transactions. So irrespective of whether it's direct or indirect procurement, companies typically engage in two types of purchase: goods procurement and service procurement. So goods procurement is nothing but acquisition of tangible items. If you touch, it's an object. So whether finished products or raw materials, goods procurement covers acquiring inventory items such as clothing, electronic, or home goods to stock retail sales and fulfill customer demand. Service procurement involves acquisition of intangible offering. It's intangible. It's not seen. So this might involve contracting marketing agents for promotional campaign, hiring security services for store protection, or engaging delivery services for e-commerce order fulfillment. If you're doing a service, for example, you're going to A to Z service for the marriage function. So you are going to servicing. So for example, doctors, lawyers, or professionals. Right? So you're going to serving the society for the particular organization. So next session we are going to discuss very important topic. Thank you all. Thank you all for watching.